Nice little waterfall up there. Kind of a splatter stone effect. And really beautiful area. Big bluffage. Big shelters. Wow. What an area.
This is crazy.
This was definitely worth making our way down to here. Wow. What an area. Alright folks, I have marked the GPS for this location in case any of you want to visit it yourself, and just to help celebrate the fact that we're seeing so many turtles, I've named it Turtle Shelter and Falls, so I think that's appropriate. So pretty cool area for sure. Really glad we decided to make our way down. A lot of burning. Huh. Prescribed burn, okay, yeah. Makes sense. Squirrels are messing around. A lot of ant lions. That's what those are. So, really cool area. Man, just beautiful. And I bet it's a nice raging waterfall. So, I can't wait to come back here when it's Waterfall Central. Just a long line of bluffage. Oh yeah. Little shelter. Pretty neat. Oh wow, that's cool. Check this out, folks. You can go that way, or you can go that way. If you're a little skinnier than me. Alright folks, made it to Barron's, and I think we go this way up here. We kind of go straight off that way. Looks like really pretty. That looks like it's rain.
It probably is.
Hopefully we make it back. Alrighty folks, so this creek right here, wow, this creek right here is what feeds Turtle Shelter Falls that we were just at. So, nice creek, pretty creek. And just pretty area. This whole area is really pretty. It's a food plot over there.
Got this old post.
Yep. Got an old post. And nice little water holes. We're just gonna follow this creek and it'll take us to the trail. Of course it kind of forks right here. So we'll just follow it this way. It should take us right to the river trail, and then that'd take us back to the parking lot, and we'll be home. Alright folks, we're on the trail now, heading back towards where we parked. Beautiful area. So Michelle's seen these jack-o'-lanterns from a trail way off. And we walked over here and it's just the mother lode.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
Wow.
It's like I don't, oh look, there's a heart-shaped one.
That's crazy.
Okay, yeah,
Squirrel. Wow. That's crazy.
Beautiful. These things are supposed to glow at night.
Are they edible?
No.
No. They're pretty. And they're everywhere.
They're everywhere. They're everywhere. I feel like there's a whole lot of fairies around here.
Yeah. Pumpkin fairies. little jack-o'-lanterns, you know. Wow. That's cool. So crazy. These things are everywhere. They are everywhere. Little ones. Not so good looking ones. That's pretty neat. All over. All over the other side of that tree. That's pretty cool. Fungi overload. Alrighty folks, back at the truck. Did about 4.8 miles. When I started, the GoPro battery was about 80%, and now it's at 20 something percent. So the battery lasts quite a while. I want to throw that out there. I like the new camera. I was getting ready to buy the 9, and then I heard the 10 came out, and I thought, well, I'm buying it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check the description for more information and how to connect with me via social media. So thanks again for watching another episode of Hiking with Shawn. Until next time, I'll see you on the trail. Says Michelle. I'm not gonna mess with her too much.